Hey Connor, it's Papa. Today is Friday night, September 4th, 2020, and I'm just here in my little apartment here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. It's about going on probably, it's a little bit before 10 o'clock at night. I just got back from the gym, and I was thinking about something today that I wanted to share with you. So I thought I would just make a little video to do that. So I remember last time you were here, we were making acai bowls like we like to do, but just kind of given all the stuff that's been kind of going on in the world these days, supply chain disruptions and stuff, we were having a lot of trouble actually finding the acai puree that we typically use to make our acai bowls. And so what they had instead was this like acai protein kind of blend instead, and we got that, and it turned out to be not nearly as good as the kind that we normally get. So the acai bowl experience was kind of disappointing. But so the problem is now is I've got all this acai protein stuff, and my thought was, well, how do I use it right? Because like we found out together, it's just really not the best for acai bowls. So I had an idea today on how to use this stuff up, and I think use it up in a good way, so that's what I wanted to share with you here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a smoothie, and I've since been able to find the kind that we like, right? That. So I'm stocked up on that for the time to get here. But this is the stuff that just didn't have quite the same flavor. So this is the stuff I'm going to use. And what I did was a couple hours ago, I actually took 2 or 3 of these out of the freezer. I just put them in the fridge so they would start to like de-thaw. Hopefully not completely turn to liquid, but also not be blocks of ice like they are now when they sit in the freezer. So I've got these here. You gotta see. Light. Yeah, there we go. They're kind of slushy right now, a little goopy, but you can see like that consistency right there. They're kind of slushy, right? So this is a good consistency to use as a base for smoothie. And what I'm also going to do is, since this is mostly a liquid base right here, is I'm going to add frozen banana and then some other good stuff, and I'm going to make a shake. This is actually my first time trying this, so you're going to see me try for the first time, I guess. All right, so let's do this. What I'm going to do first is this one. I think is a little more melted than the others. this is the one that's really yeah, this one I put in the fridge, I think it was yesterday. So this one was basically all liquid at this point. But with 3 of those packets, I've kind of got about a little more than half of that bulletproof blender jar filled up. And then next thing I'm going to add is some collagen protein. Creatine. I use this unflavored kind of pure creatine called naked creatine. It's pretty good stuff. Let's throw a couple strawberries in there. These are beautiful strawberries. Look how red they are. Throw a few blueberries in there too. Just a little handful, just because that's got some good stuff in there for us, right? Always buy the blueberries and the strawberries organic. For that's for the fruits that you should buy organic, I've heard those are ones that you should, just because they can be pesticide intensive crops. And then the magic ingredient, frozen banana slices are crap. I just slice up, you know, you've seen me do it, but I just slice up a bunch of bananas and put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them flat. Those are sometimes good to eat before bed at night. Just eat a few of those slices, like a treat. It's almost as good as ice cream, huh? You know what else those go good in is yogurt. Make some coconut yogurt, that Icelandic yogurt. Put some of those banana slices in there. Oh, that's good. I've enjoyed some of those things we eat together. All right, so I've got this stuff all kind of combined in our blender cup here. Shake it up. Let's put it on the blender for a minute. bananas are going to give it a really kind of thick consistency. And then between the 3 acai packets, which are said to be 10 grams of protein each, and then the collagen protein, which was probably another 10 grams of protein. So we probably got 40 grams of protein here in this cup. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, it smells really good. All right, here we go. Wow, that is actually really good. That's delicious. That's really good. I think we may have found a use for his packets. They were worthless for acai bowls, but man, this is an alternate, but just maybe more valid use for them. This is great. Wish I could share that with you right now. I'll have to try making it next time you come down. I think if I were to add anything to this, it might be some branched chain amino acids. I don't have any right here, right now, but that would probably go good in here too, especially since I just got back from the gym. Maybe some Speedy's hot sauce too. Maybe not this one. All right. Well, that was my idea for how to use up those acai packets, and I think it's worked out pretty good. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll look forward to hopefully seeing you soon. Maybe we can make these together before too long. All right, love you, Connor. Bye-bye.